Greetings. My name is Karen Cohn, and I am honored to be one of the advisors on on Women in Cloud, and will be joining the summit. One of the big things that amazes me about Women in Cloud and the criticality of participating is the collective influence that we can have. I've spent my career as a corporate executive, as a CEO, and I now fund a lot of startups. But it's the power that Women in Cloud brings by all of us working together. We open up economic access. We get top corporations and top nonprofits in the world willing to work with us to open doors for women and promote women into positions because they learn the criticality of diversity. So I really hope you will join the Women in Cloud Summit in January, where you can have incredible connections and learn how to make a difference as a collective team.